Maxout's Evergrid is an affordable solution to keep a grid-tied solar installation running when the power goes out. Last year, over 1 million American homeowners experienced extended power outages. Most homeowners with solar were no better off because less than 5% of residential systems can produce power when the grid goes down. The reason? Backup power adds $10,000 to $30,000 to the installation cost, too much for most homeowners. But Evergrid is going to change that. Under normal conditions, the grid provides voltage stabilization, load balancing, and surge power. When the grid goes down, Evergrid provides the stabilization and balancing, and enough surge power that even small PV systems can start up appliances like refrigerators and ACs. An integrated power pack even provides power for nighttime use, enough to watch a favorite show, recharge a cell phone, and run a CPAP machine. The Evergrid is based around a patent-pending motor generator called a synchronous condenser. We demonstrated this technology in our proof of concept system. The Evergrid is a great solution for any new or retrofit PV array. During our customer discovery, installers told us repeatedly that their new customers want backup power, but the price tag is too high. At just $1,000, the Evergrid is a game-changing solution. It will keep the power flowing for homeowners with existing solar and for owners of new solar installations as well.
Hi, I'm Kirsten Pace.
And I'm Eric Cummings. Power outages have shown that there's something important missing from the clean energy grid, and we believe the Evergrid is the missing piece.
With the help of American-made solar, we've assembled a great team, a proof of concept, and a plan to bring Evergrid to market.
Thanks.